Alright guys, I have great news for you. Oracle has launched its free certification program, that is Race to Certification 2025. And in this video, we'll cover race overview, what type of certifications are covered in it, eligibility criteria, how to join the race, and schedule your exam. So please watch till the end to get the complete information. So Race to Certification basically gives you a chance to get courses and certifications in these 4 domains, that is OCI, AI, multi-cloud, and data platforms. But there's a limited time, that is you have to enroll and complete these certifications before October 31st, 2025. So to get started with Race to Certification, what exactly it is, Oracle gives you a chance to complete courses and trainings in these 4 domains, that is AI, OCI, multi-cloud, and data platforms. And you can actually choose from 21 plus courses and certifications from these 4 domains. That is, for example, from AI, we have OCI AI Foundations, OCI Generative AI, Oracle Vector Search, and OCI Data Science. And similarly, you can also complete different certifications of different levels from these 3 domains as well. So for different levels of certification, we have certifications of Foundations Associate level, there's a professional level, and there's also an associate level. So you can actually go to the course you are interested in and read about the prerequisites and all to get the most suitable course and certification for you. Okay, so once you enroll in it, you receive 2 free exam attempts. So basically, you can get a course with 1 practice exam and 2 free exam attempts. And based on your performance, you will be granted level 1, 2, and 3 badges. So once you complete 1 digital course and pass 1 certification exam, you get Oracle University Community Level 1 badge with the ranking on the Race to Certification leaderboard. So once you're done with level 1, you can actually move on to level 2 and complete 1 more certification. So you have a total of 2 courses and 2 certifications. And on completing level 2, you get Oracle University Learning Community Level 2 badge and a ranking on Race to Certification leaderboard. Okay, so once you're done with level 2, you can actually move on to level 3 and complete 2 more courses, bringing your total course completions to 4 and 2 more certification exams. So you have a total of 4 certificates. And on completing level 3, you get Oracle University Learning Community Level 3 badge and a ranking on Race to Certification 2025 leaderboard. And as it is a race, so you are not limited to level 1, 2, and 3. There's also some sort of competition. And the top 500 individuals who successfully complete level 1, 2, and 3 with the most number of certifications, fastest times, and highest pass score will receive 2 free exam attempts valid until October 31st. Top 500 winner digital achievement promotion kit, Oracle University top 500 digital badge, and a ranking on Race to Certifications leaderboard. Okay, now that we are done with the race overview, let's move on and see what type of certifications are covered in it. Okay, so in the race overview tab, we have a list of these instructions which you can read, and there's also some other information that we have already covered, and these are the list of exams or certifications that you can cover. So in AI, we have these 4 of different levels. We have associate and professional levels, and in OCI, we have Foundations Associate, Associate, and professional levels. Then we have 2 course options or certifications in Multicloud, and there are a couple of certifications in Oracle Data Platform as well. Okay, so now that we're done with the race overview, let's move on to how to join the race and schedule your exam. But before moving forward, let me share something with you that you can actually get this leaderboard tab over here. And there's also Oracle community that you can join once you enroll in the course to get answers to your personalized queries. And there's also this FAQ tab. I'll link this in a description box so you can actually go and have a look at it by yourself. Moving forward, to join the race, we first have to create an Oracle account. So to create an Oracle account, we have to move to this top right corner and we have to click create an account. And you're moved to this window where you have to complete all this information, your email address, set a password for your Oracle account, and all this information, that is country, name, job title, font, company name. And if you're a student, you can actually write the name of your institute here and click create account. Once you click on create account, you'll be moved to a window like this. Okay, so once you have your account created, you just have to sign into it. I'll enter my username and enter your password and click sign in. Once you signed into your account, go to join the race. After activating the subscription, you'll be prompted to this page from where you can choose your course and certification from these 4 domains. For example, let's say I want to do a course in AI. I want to do OCI data science, so I will just click start. And this is the most important step, that is you first have to activate it before enrolling in this path. So I'll just click activate. Okay, so once you have it activated, you can now move forward with the details of this course and what this course is about. And there's also this overview video given here. You can also watch this, and there are also prerequisites given for each course. You can also move on to see what type of content is covered in this course. For example, in this one, we have an 8-hour course for data science professional. In this one, we have 2 labs, and then there's a practice exam, which will make you familiar with the exam structure. And then we have certification exam. In some cases like this one, there are 3, but you only have to do 1. For example, this one, this is in English, and these are for different languages. And on completing 1 certification exam, you'll receive this credential that you can share on your socials and on LinkedIn to boost your LinkedIn profile. Okay, so now move forward and see how the course content is structured. So it's structured like this. We have video lectures for overview, intro, and then the subtopics related to data science. Once you're satisfied with the course content, you can move forward and click on enroll in this path button over here, which I'm already enrolled in. Next, we'll move forward and schedule our exam. Let's click on register now. From here, you can check out all these details for exam preparation, exam topics, and what to do on exam day. So now let's move forward and schedule our exam. We'll click on this button. In the first step, you have to schedule an exam date and time. So my time is already selected and I have to select one date from it. Let's say 16, and then I'll select available time slot and click save and continue. Then I'll click on this to apply for my exam and click save and continue. Next, there's a verification section where we have to verify our name and phone number. And at the time of exam, we have to provide our government issued photo identification, that is our national ID card. Next, I have to confirm my readiness check and click save. Then I just have to agree to the terms and conditions. And now that all these 5 steps are complete, I can go ahead and schedule my exam. And my exam appointment is confirmed. And that was all about Race to Certification 2025. If you have any query, please write out in the comments. I would love to answer them. And if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing opportunities. See you in the next video.